Hi, I hope you're doing well. I've made several improvements to the document. First, I reduced the upper gutter to 0 to ensure it aligns perfectly with the top of the page. Secondly, I fixed the table row heights at 1.65 inches. This ensures consistent formatting throughout the document and automatically divides each page into 7 equal parts. If you need to fit 8 rows instead, you can simply reduce the table height and adjust the next batch accordingly. By adjusting the overall height of the table, the rows will shift to fit the first page and align correctly with the bottom margin. As you can see, the layout now matches the page perfectly, allowing for a consistent 3x8 sticker grid. I've confirmed that these changes work across the entire file. You can continue to tweak the height as needed, and the alignment should remain stable. Let me know if this works for you.